how to tell your iPhone is tracking you and listening you and how to turn this off. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option you see there. Here you will see the option for tracking, tap on it, and now go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for allow apps to request to track, and you can also review the apps listed below and disable tracking permissions individually. Next, go ahead and in privacy and security tab itself, scroll down and navigate to the microphone option you see there, and you will see every app that has requested microphone access. So simply go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for apps that don't genuinely need it. Now, go a step back and then tap on the camera option you see there, and you will be able to view all the apps requesting camera access. You can simply go ahead and review the list and disable camera access for apps that should not have it. Also, you can look for the green dot on top of your screen, as when an app is using your camera, iPhone displays a green indicator at the top of your screen, and an orange indicator means an app is using the microphone without camera. You can open the control center and then go ahead and see the information about recent camera or microphone use. Additionally, you can simply go ahead and open Privacy and Security tab again and then tap on the Location Services option you see there. And now, for the apps that don't really need your location, you can simply tap on the app and then go ahead and choose the Never option. Or if you want the app to sometimes use the location, then you can simply select the while using the app option. You can also then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for turn off precise location when exact location is not necessary. Now, in Location Services settings itself, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the System Services option you see there, and then go ahead and review the available system location features and disable options you don't want to use. Make sure not to turn everything off automatically, as some services are useful for features such as Find My and emergency services. Next, go back to Privacy and Security option again and scroll down, and you will see the option for App Privacy Report. Here, if the App Privacy Report is disabled, you can simply tap on the Turn on App Privacy Report option you see there, and with this, it will collect information such as how often apps access sensitive permissions, or which websites apps contacted, or network activity, and your camera and microphone access, and this will give you a report of the whole. Next, go ahead and check which devices are you signed in with your Apple account. So in settings again, tap on your name on top of your screen, and here go ahead and review the devices connected to your Apple account, and if you see a device you don't recognize, tap on it and review its details, and if it should not have access to your account, you can simply remove it and secure your Apple account. Next, go back to settings again and then tap on Privacy and Security option again. Here, scroll down and navigate to the Safety Check option you see there, and here Safety Check can help you review who has access to your information, or which apps have access to your data, or devices connected to your Apple account, or sharing and privacy permissions. Also, go a step back and then tap on the Siri option you see there, and then tap on the Talk to Siri option, and here see how Siri responds when the device is locked. You can also review the dictation settings if needed. So these were a few ways on how you can tell if your iPhone is tracking you and listening you and how you can turn it off. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.